Today I am making mussels fry. These are the mussels. First I will show you how to clean them. This is a shallow fried, golden brown mussels fry. It's very tasty. These are the mussels and I had kept in the freezer for half an hour. After half an hour you can see they are open and now easy to clean them. Take a spoon and just take it out from the shell, from all the sides. You can see if you rub on the sideways, it comes out easily. Now one thing here is very important. They are having one thread that you have to remove it. See, there is one thread in between. That is not good for health, so you have to remove carefully. And see, exactly it is in the middle. See, here I got it. See, just pull it out, it is easily coming out. This way you have to clean all the mussels. Again I'll show you one more. Just rub it from the sideways with the spoon. It is very easy to clean actually. You can see exactly in the middle, you just pull it out. You will find a thread. Just remove it out and clean all the mussels and wash them 2-3 times nicely. Remove all the water. And just strain them in the strainer and keep for some time. Let all water comes down. See, the water is come down. Now put some salt and marinate and keep for half an hour. After half an hour, let's put a masala for that. This is the turmeric powder. And chili powder here, and garam masala also you can add, it's optional, but if you put a garam masala it gives a very good taste. But mix them and keep for half an hour. Let's fry them. Roll it in the semolina and do shallow fry. You have to shallow fry golden brown. It is very tasty. Just turn them and fry in the golden brown. Fry them in the golden brown. Make it. These are ready. And if you like my channel, subscribe it and share it.